look at these gorgeous phone, guys. The OnePlus 6 on my left and the OnePlus 5T. Look at the screen size resolution, the size. You could tell that the 6 is much bigger. And look at the color that's producing. It's so much saturated compared to the 5T here. If we take a look closer, it seems like the OnePlus 6 seems a little bit sharper here. Very, very sharp, as you can see. The resolution on the 5T, you could tell there is a slight, you could notice it, the pixel. Okay, now the 5T, very, very sharp. All right, so that is the size difference between them. And let's look at the back here. The camera position has been changed as well. On the side, you've got your silent switch mode has been changed to the other side. Okay, and there is the front facing camera. Now let's turn them on. All right, so when we look at the specs here, guys, we are running Oreo, the latest Oreo, and the system, we got both have 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Display, it's 1080p, but the OnePlus 6 has got 2280, whereas the 5T is 2160. They are both AMOLED. So we've got the Adreno 630 on the 6 and 540 on the 5T. And those are the specs, guys. Okay. All right, so let's just do a quick speed test here, guys. We're just gonna do it on the spot. Everything is all cleared. Everything is rebooted from the factory settings. We are ready to go here. We're gonna test it out and see if there's any difference with the OnePlus 6. So let's open the telephone here. Okay, pretty much identical. The same. Well, let's clear out again. Let's clear out everything, make sure nice and clean. Okay, let's do that again. Telephone, the same. Messenger, the same. Google, identical. Camera. Okay, so it looks like I pressed the 5T there a little bit quicker. Let's do that again. Okay, the same thing, guys. No difference here. Yep, identical. So let's download some app. Let's put Facebook. We'll install this and see how fast it will install. 210. Oh wow, the 5T is downloading the app pretty fast, guys. Much faster than the 6. This is insanely crazy. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, there you go. 5T's finished. Well, it's installing right now. And it's still installing. Okay, never mind. So the 6 took over from there. Is this much faster? All right, so let's open it up. Oh yeah, much faster. Okay, so let's check out the internet. Let's go for OnePlus 6, OnePlus 6. Okay, let's open. All right, they're pretty much identical, guys. There's no difference between them. Let's go to their site. See, slightly faster on the 6, but not that much, not that much whatsoever. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, let's open this up. The same thing. The same thing. Okay, let's check out image. Identical, guys. There is no difference between these two devices. So let's do one more. Let's download another app. Okay, Real Racing 3. Install. And off they go. So the only difference I notice between these two devices is pretty much the screen display. It is much bigger on the 6, and the sharpness seems a little bit more refined than the 5T. But other than that, it is pretty much identical when it comes to performance. There's really not much of an upgrade, guys, that you will notice. It is slightly faster, but not that much. So if you own the 5T, just hold back and wait for another generation of the OnePlus until there is a dramatic notice on the performance. But if you do own like the old version, the OnePlus 3T, yes, you definitely want to upgrade, because there is a lot of improvement and performance wise, and the quality of the device itself. So I don't know who won there. I wasn't paying attention, but they're pretty much identical, guys. So let's open this up. All right, so they're downloading, and as you notice, the 6 here is a little bit fat. Oh boy, look at that. What's going on here? The 5T is done. Wow. Are you kidding me? Wow, guys. Look at that. The 5T, as you can see, it still has a lot of horsepower, guys. So 5T users out there, don't even bother upgrading if you're basing it on performance.
We're free, bound only by frozen memories.